snowstorm of 2020. So the time now is 11:20. It looks like it's coming down real quick. It's supposed to be 15 to 20 centimeters today. We'll see how much we get in Oshawa. So now that's how much it's coming down real quick right now. I'll check again in about an hour or two. See how much snow we get. Can't wait to use my snowblower. Hey guys, so it's 2:10, almost 2:10. So it's about 3 hours since that first clip. So there's that snow. Wow, what a big difference in about a couple of hours. So 10 to 15, I think it's gonna be 20 centimeters here in Oshawa as well. Yeah, it's coming really fast right now, so. And it's still going. I think it's supposed to be till later this evening when it stops. And it's supposed to cool off, so we'll see. Let me just kind of zoom in right there. And you can see the snow really coming down hard, so. Yeah, and there's my son's play stuff. It's piling up. So, check again in a couple of hours. See how much snow is falling. And I'll probably get this up my snowblower. Alright, peace out. Hey guys, it's 5 o'clock right now. Need an update on the snow. Cool, smoker. Getting up there.